I'm just in a big puddle.
It was a holiday weekend in the Pacific Northwest, and I hiked into Baker Lake hoping the rain would clear out the crowds, which it did. But by 2 a.m., I was sleeping straight on the wet, cold ground. Here's how to handle gear failure in the field and what I learned stress testing a backpack with 35 pounds of gear in the Pacific Northwest rain. I'm Kristen, and this is Unstoppable Outside.
I am back in the Pacific Northwest, and today I'm coming from the North Cascades, and it is a holiday weekend in Seattle, and I have decided to get out of town and try to find a camp spot where it's less crowded. I'm here at Baker Lake, and along Baker Lake Trail there are some campsites at Anderson Point and Maple Grove. I'm going to be testing out some new gear. I have a brand new ultra lightweight rain jacket. It is waterproof from Marmot, and I have a new backpack because in my Colorado trip I had horrible bruised hips after my backpacking trip there, carrying over 30 pounds. So I've got 34 pounds on my pack right now, and this is the Granite Gear Crown 3, and it has a shorter torso. What I love about my tent is that it is Rainfly-First, so it's going to allow me to set this up without getting this rain inside of it. It's my first time setting up the rain, so let's see how it goes. Alright, and we are dry on the inside. Home sweet home. Hood of my new backpack definitely took a beating from the rain, but it feels like this could be slightly damp on the outside, but everything on the inside is good, so that's promising. And nothing else seems wet, so I'll call that a win for not having my rain cover and for the water resistant material. It is kind of a muddy, wet mess out there. I'm definitely on a slant, so all of this is gonna run under me tonight, but should be fine. It's waterproof-ish in here. We'll see how it goes, but check out this view. That does not suck to wake up to, and we have a lovely tarp to have dinner and hang out under tonight. Well, it is 9:30 and the weather has not improved. It's pretty mucky out. And on top of that, there's a puddle right here between me and Nicole's tents. And fortunately the water is not coming through. But there's no other option really. So we're just gonna hope it doesn't seep through the night. Well, here's hoping that the tent is truly waterproof, so sweet drinks, and find out what happens in the morning. That was rough. Right there, man, Jesus. It was definitely a really rough night. Not only did my air mattress fail, but I had standing water under the tent and it's still there. So, see if I can deal with it. Well, this is the official spot for the tent here. It's not a good one. Not a lot of drainage, so. I was really hoping I could hear the air leaking out, but no. So now I got to submerge it in the lake. I hope it dries so that I can patch it. Well, hopefully I can find it and then patch it. So let's give this a go. Okay, we can fix it.
If you caught my 10 Essentials series, you saw me practicing patching an air pillow at home. After finding the hole leaking air in the submerged water, I used 2 patches out of my Essentials kit to ensure the air mattress was fully sealed. If you want to make sure you're prepared when your gear fails on the trail, hit subscribe and check out my 10 Essentials playlist.
Okay, the hole is patched up. I've also allowed the ground to dry, re-put the tent here, cleaned the tie back, and starting over tonight. So hopefully we'll sleep better. Fingers crossed my patches hold. Now, try to have a little fun. Today finished way better than it started. Just super chill day, mostly here at camp, and tomorrow going to venture north up the lake. Just going to explore, check out more of the lake line, and finish playing around with my gear. I'm going to cozy up into bed, and I will see you in the morning. Good morning. Good enough. Mosquitoes haven't been too bad this trip, but putting a layer every day on the keratin, and that's definitely been keeping them at bay. We're getting ready to do a little day hike, and I think I'm going to go further up the lake. Just something that's really cool about my new pack. The waist spout comes out, and the brain comes up. And now I have a little fanny pack system where I can put the belt on, and I put the fanny pack here. So we're going to try that out and see how it goes. I'm going to put some of my essentials in here and snacks and hit the trail with it. So this is that new Marmot rain jacket. I will put the model on screen here, but it fits in its own pocket, which is nice. From hiking in with it when it was raining, not sold that it's really waterproof. I think it's definitely water resistant, so it might be some false marketing, but I'll have to put it to another test. But it's kind of hard to tell when it's humid here, and you don't know if it's moisture soaking through or just the humidity of the situation. My friends are gonna head back to camp, and I'm gonna go onward to Noisy Creek Campground. It's another 5.5 miles. I'm really loving the Granite Gear Crown 3 pack and all of the variations you can do. So this is the waist belt with the brain attached as a fanny pack. It's big, it holds a lot, and it's comfortable. Got all of my essentials, plus the extra pockets up front. So I'm loving that. It's super comfortable. You can also wear it crossbody. And I would say the only downside, besides the fact that it's going to be jiggly for running, I would never truly try to do a big run with it, is that it's a little bit warmer because it's thick. This is such a great trail. Just rolling through the trees, little peekaboo views of the lake. Oh, it is humid though. Definitely warm, but it feels amazing. Ooh, that is straight down, but look at the color of that water. That's like same as Tahoe. You don't got to go to Tahoe to get emerald greens and blue water. Just a safe one. Not poisonous here. Anybody. That one was bigger. He scared me. Okay, guys. Bye. Very nice campsite. I got some pro tips from some people who boated in. So this lake has many dispersed hiking, boating, however you want to get here, campsites. But there's boat ramps for you to bring boats, jet skis. There's someone who rode in an inflatable. So lots of options to get out here. About 8.5 miles up here. Thought it was gonna be closer to 7.5, but I also, wandered around some campsites. So probably closer to 16-mile day. That's rad, I'm okay with that. So gonna have a bite to eat here in the sunshine. Start making my way back to camp. This trail has a lot of berries. These are called thimbleberries. They're similar to raspberries, not quite ripe. And blueberries. You can see them up here. So I'm especially happy with the versatility of this Granite gear. I've been jogging and doing some, 15-minute miles. Nothing fast, but it doesn't bounce like I thought it would. It's actually really comfortable. So this is a winner in my book for backpacking in and using as my day pack for these side quests. I mean, it'll be 16 miles today of a mix of hiking and jogging. Can't beat that, and it fits everything that I need. Back to Anderson Point. And just about 16.5 miles. Yeah, 2,000 feet of gain. By the time, too cold and windy to jump in the lake after all. That's a little sad. Just wiped it. Dinner tonight. Tried and true. It is after 10 and I am zonked, so I will see you in the morning. Initial review of the Granite Gear Crown 3 is good. It doesn't fit any worse than my Kelty. I can tell it sits differently on my hips, so time to test it out in heavier conditions for longer hiking time and see how it goes. But definitely loving the versatility and all of the straps. Until next time, stay safe, stay unstoppable, and I'll see you outside.